Timbersurf here with a bit of an update about what's going on with the channel. As you may have noticed, I haven't put any videos out for about 5 months, and the reason for that is that my health has gone down the tubes a bit. Basically, last November I was struggling to breathe to the point that I was seeing the doctor every week, and the week before Christmas I ended up in hospital for a week. I've since been in hospital for the odd day or two a few times since then, and also seeing a doctor on a regular basis. The issues are not resolved. I'm still struggling to breathe. Any sort of effort makes me struggle for breath, so not doing very well. And then to complicate things, just after Christmas I was diagnosed with a heart problem. That has now been understood what it is, and I'm on medication, but it was just another nail in the coffin of my health problems. So sorry about that, I haven't put any videos out. I have still been going to a couple of shows. Obviously the days when, like, in 2024, I think I did 24 shows that year. Unfortunately those days are gone, basically. Ill health has kind of forced me into early retirement, so finances are a bit tighter. The energy for wandering around shows is not there anymore, and standing up doing the videoing is, it's quite an effort for me. So although I've done a couple of shows recently, I didn't take any video, unfortunately. I was actually at the Macclesfield show on Saturday. There's a couple of snapshots up on the screen now of that, but I didn't really take any lengthy videos. So what else has been going on? Well, I'm still active on YouTube lives, watching other people's videos, etc. And I'm continuing to do my 3D design work and 3D printing. Been quite busy recently with commissions for people. Unfortunately, I don't have a physical retail outlet for my product. You can contact me on my Tim Scale Facebook page if there's something that you know that I do, or there's something you want to discuss that potentially I could design because you can't find it anywhere else. But at the present moment I'm essentially doing designs for myself, and the current subject, the work in progress I'm in the middle of developing, is a coal mine pit head. So there are ones available. There's the Pala one, which is about 60 odd pounds, but it's very continental. It's not really the style that I would like, so I thought, okay, I'll have a go at making my own. So I've chosen one that's reasonably small. It's a very typical British one, but fairly small scale. The actual lift area is technically underground, so all you see is the minehead tower and the winding house. So that's currently under development. I'm struggling with the getting the supports right to get it to print correctly. A few other things have been going on, like I said, with commissions, is prompting me to make new designs of new products. So life goes on, but the format of my videos is not probably going to be a large quantity of shows anymore, and that's just where I am with life. I'm not looking for sympathy. It's just an explanation as to why I'm not going to be so prolific with videos, or certainly not of shows. Hopefully I'll be putting out videos about other things, about my modelling and 3D designs and so forth, and that's about it really. Just a quick update to catch up with the big gap in my repertoire, as it were. So thanks for looking in, thanks for staying with me and subscribing, and hopefully there will be some more videos coming in the future, and I'll see you then. So from me, Timber Surf, it's ciao for now.